But we're gonna add these little corner wrinkles like I did over here. I didn't develop them huge over here because I wanted you to see how I did that. I took a little piece of clay. So I'm flattening that out, little pancake. I'm gonna put it right there in the corner, like that. I'm gonna just get it in there, marry it in. I use that word a lot. Marry, you're gonna marry it. Once you get that in there, then you can come in with your detailer tool. Our wrinkles go in threes. 1. See how I'm rolling my tool. I'm rolling it, pressing it, rolling it. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Then 2 in the middle. Roll, roll, roll. And 3 comes down. Now it could be sets of 3, like within a 3. 1, this one becomes 2 and 3. See how that works?
Wow. Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.